Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this full face makeup tutorial and how I transitioned from this nude look to this date night look. So if you're interested in seeing this video, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you. Before your makeup application, make sure you prep your skin with a moisturizer. I have already prepped my skin and right now I am going in with my primer. I'm using the Zaron pore minimizer as my base. Whether you plan on applying a light coat of foundation or a full face of makeup, make sure you use a primer. Primer under your makeup will always make your makeup last longer. Next is my brows and I'm applying a little bit of foundation on it. Since I'm not applying my foundation first, I decided to go in with this technique. This makes it easy and ready for application. But this is optional. Do what works for you. If applying your brow pencil or if lining your brows first works for you, go ahead with it. If applying your foundation first works for you, go ahead with it and be good with it. Makeup is improvising there. Just try out something and if it works for you, stick with that. Right now I am going to be lining my brows and I'm using the Zaron brow pencil to do that. When it comes to lining your brows, do follow the shape of your brows and start filling from the outer corner to the inner corner of your brow, making sure you are lining in a light way. You don't want to press your pencil onto your brows so it won't appear thick. I don't know if you understand. I don't know if I'm making sense. You don't want that to appear so thick. So you want your brows to be lightweight and natural. To clean up my underbrows, I am using the Zaron liquid concealer in medium and deep. I am doing this so that my brows can be nice and neat. When trying to clean up your underbrows, you don't need to take so much of concealer. And always make sure that your concealer is 1 or 2 shades. Even the 2 shade is too light. For me, I like doing one shade lighter than my skin tone and my exact skin tone. I use 2 shades of concealer so that it comes out natural. I like to do that. 1 shade lighter than your skin tone and your exact skin tone so that it appears natural. Moving on to my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Corrector to correct some of my hyperpigmentation and dark under eye. I'm just going to be putting that in the areas where they need to be placed, and I'll be going in with this beauty sponge to blend everything into my skin. Next, I am going in with my foundation and I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in Toffee and I mixed it with Zaron Brown Skin Liquid Foundation in Cottage. I'm just going to spread that all over my skin using my foundation brush and beauty sponge. To reduce the appearance of dark under eye circles and create a glowing look, I applied light concealer beneath my eyes and I'm using the Zaron liquid concealer in medium and deep. I'm just putting these concealers where they are supposed to be: my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and I'm going in with a damp beauty sponge to blend that into my skin. sculpt my face, I am using the Mary Kay medium coverage foundation in bronze 708, and I am just taking very little from this product to apply on my cheekbone, the side of my forehead, and I'm using this medium angle brush from Zaron Cosmetic to blend everything into my skin. I'm just doing it in a circular motion, and the remains of the foundation, I'm going to use it on my forehead. If you notice, I didn't apply any product on my forehead. I want my forehead to appear natural. To set the highlighted area of my face, I am using the Benign Luxury powder in banana, and I am using this beauty sponge I used to set my concealer to press the powder right underneath my eyes. I am using the Zaron Brown Skin Compact Powder to set my foundation. I am doing this because I do not want my face to appear oily. For my blush, I went in with this orange color from Imagic 30 color eyeshadow palette. I am putting a thin layer of the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in Cool Tan on my eyelid. This is serving as my base. You want to do this because it prepares your eyelid for eyeshadow, and it also makes your eyeshadow look better and last longer. Always make sure you dab your eyelid with a translucent powder to avoid creasing. For my eyeshadow, I used the Imagic Professional Cosmetic 30 color eyeshadow palette and 16 color eyeshadow palette. I am going in with the toffee in this 30 color eyeshadow palette. I'm using this color as my transition shade. I'm just blending this color all over my crease area, from the outer to the inner part to my socket eye area. And I went in using this blending brush from Bobbi Brown, and I went in with the brown shade from the 16, from the brown color from the 16 color eyeshadow palette, and I'm using Vamped. The color is Vamped. I'm using that on my crease region, the outer part of my crease. Just blend that all the way to my socket area, my eye socket area, just to give that part of my eye smoky kind of look. That's what I'm trying to achieve, soft smoky kind of, eyeshadow. Next, I went back in with the same 16 color eyeshadow, and I'm using the mallow color, which is kind of like silver gold. I'm using that all over my eyelid, and I'm using my finger to apply that, just to give me that pigmented pigment that I want. And yeah, I went in with my brush to blend everything into my skin, into my eyelid. Sorry. For For my lower eyelid, I'm going to be using the Zaron gel eyeliner in jars, and I'm just going to be drawing a thin line on it. I am going in my mascara, and I'm using this 4-in-1 wing mascara from Zaron Cosmetics. I am buffing out the excess powder under my eyes, and I'm using this brush to do so. I'm trying to be careful with this so that I wouldn't end up moving the product on my face. I am using the contour from the Zaron Face Definer in XD10 to sculpt my nose. For my lips, I am using this nude color from the Who's That Girl palette, and I'm just applying that in the center of my lips, and I'll be going in with this brown color to line my lips just to give me that nude look I'm looking for. I'm just going to line that all over and blend everything together. Setting spray is always the final touch for your makeup. It helps your makeup to last longer without creasing. That is why I'm using the Zaron setting spray to achieve this. For my highlighter, I am using the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold, and I am just using this across the top of my cheekbones, center of my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. And we have come to the end of today's video. With this makeup tips, it's easy to create any beauty looks of your choice. Whether you're going to the office or out for a date night, you can actually rock this look effortlessly. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about the look? How do you like your makeup? Do you like it nude or do you like it loud? Do you like how I transition from this to this? Let me know in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always supporting me. I do appreciate, and I will see you in my next one.